BTD makes metal parts for customers. We make parts for people like Case New Holland. We make things for farmers. We make things for tractors, combines. We also make things for recreational, four-wheelers and snowmobiles and that type of thing.
Here at BTD we have all sorts of different areas. We have welding, press brakes, lasers, stamping presses. We do some hand finishing, machining, turrets, huge weldments, and we do have a paint line at one of our facilities as well.
And my concerns when I was applying for driving a forklift in manufacturing, I was all the possible dangers and things that were there, and it was one of the things that as soon as I walked through this plant here at BTD, it completely alleviated all of those concerns because it was clean, it was organized, it was safe.
With the advancement of technology, you see new and improved things and you want it to stay competitive. And trying to play catch up in this business is not something that you want to do. You want to stay ahead of the game.
We have all sorts of advanced measuring equipment here, which really helps with the quality.
I know when I came in, I didn't know what a two-blazer was. You look at how they did things years prior to having that two-blazer, where they would saw it and do all that, and then drill the holes in it and bring that two-blazer into it. Now you can create that part in seconds.
Robots are huge. Robots are a big step.
We have ferro arms, and you can probe the part and make a 3D model of it, and you can save that and send it back to the customer. That way they can actually see what you've made.
We have pretty much the best of the best. I mean, we have a lot of equipment from Italy to our customers, so we get the best equipment.
Oh, everything made at BTD is made with pride.
The employees at BTD are really good.
BTD's #1 asset is the employee. It is the people, and that's what makes BTD.
I have a passion for making parts, making them fast, and making them right.
It's comforting, knowing that BTD is here and it's really, growing as much as it has from, say 300, I think it was around 300 when I had started to close to 900 now.
Being located in Detroit Lakes, some of the best people in the world live in Detroit Lakes. You have it all right here. Warm summers, great falls, cold winters, but that's what snowmobiles are for.
Well, growing up on a farm, my dad loved Case tractors. We were a red farm, and what's great is that Case New Holland is one of my main customers that I focus on. So we're making parts for combines and tractors. Those are things that I grew up with that were important, was all the things for farmers, and so to actually see that happening here, it really makes it real.